How to print from Canva. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can print your designs from Canva. So let's get into it. So open up Canva and let's create a presentation. So we'll click on presentation and we'll just select any presentation over here because we just want to show you how you can, download it and, print it. So this is the presentation right here. As you can see, not a lot of pages, but it will work. And on the left hand side we have a bunch of different pages, so we'll just simply go ahead and add them as well, just and over here in the second page we'll add content, in the third we'll add about us, and in the value we'll add another one, and there we go. Now that that's done, what we want to do now is we want to download it. So to download a presentation as a print format, we click on the share, and over here we want to click on download. You can also you press on print and record, but those are just other options. But what you want to do is click on download. Over here you will select PDF print. All right, PDF print, and this will include all the pages and RGB. This is for the professional options, so we'll just leave it at that. And yeah, after that we can just simply click on download, give it a couple of seconds, and once your print is downloaded you are good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you print from Canva. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.